Today we will talk about bill of exchange. In this chapter we will cover journal and ledger. Our aim is to give you a knowledge of journal and ledger. Okay, because journal and ledger you should become expert. So one topic we have taken bill of exchange, so the journal we can cover. Here Bimla purchased goods of 25,000 from Kamal. So for journal entry we will start. In the Bimal has purchased from Kamal. So Kamal is seller. Kamal seller. Kamal is seller. Okay. So Vimal purchased goods of 25,000 from Kamal. So what Kamal will do? He will make Vimal. So Vimal purchased goods from Kamal. So Kamal is the seller. What he will write in his book? He will debit Vimal. Vimal debit to sales account. To sales account. Goods sold. Narration is goods sold. Goods sold. Okay. And of 25,000. And accepted a bill of exchange drawn upon him by Kamal, and so Kamal will get a bill receivable because he has sold the goods, so he gets a bill receivable. So bill on which he will get money in a further date. Bill receivable, account debit, because debit what comes in, anything comes in, we make it a debit. Bill or account debit and credit to the giver, to Vimal. And after name we don't write account. We are received of 25,000. Okay, this is on January 15, 2016. Now, for 2 months, this is acceptance for 2 months. We are of 2 months received. This will be your narration. In short, we write whatever the transaction relates, we write in short. By Kamal payable to one. After on the due date of maturity, the bill was presented for payment, and Bimal dishonored. Dishonored means Bimal did not pay. So here some cases he has given, presuming the bill was retained by Kamal till the date of its maturity. So 2 months its maturity will come January, then February, March 15 and 15. Plus 3 more days. This is called days of grace. Grace days, extra days for bill. In case of bill, 3 extra days are given. So our payment date will be 18. 18 will be the date. 18 will be the due date with grace period. Grace period is 3 days. Is plus 3 days. This is our grace period. So on 18, what happens was 18 bill, he did not pay. Bimal has to pay, Bimal did not pay. So what he will do? Bimal again became a debtor. Bimal again will be Bimal debit. He again became a debtor. To Bimal is not, or this bill has gone to Bimal, because when this bill we will send, then only he will give me money. So to BR bill receivable account 25,000. So in this way this entry goes. Okay, this is one. Now the bill was immediately discounted by Kamal with his bank at the rate 6%. Now case 2 he is taking. Case 2 means the bill was discounted from bank. So 2016 January 15, immediately he discounted the bank bill from his bank. Means cash bank account, his bank money will come in his bank account. So bank account debit, discount account debit, because he has got the bill discounted from bank at the rate of 6%, means 25,000 into 6%, and bill is of 2 months. The bill is of 2 months. So bill is of 2 months, so 2 upon 12. So 1 and 2 will go out. 6 2 are 12, 2 2 will 250. 250 will be the discount. This you have to do in the rough, not in the journal itself. Just for your explanation, I am doing it. You have to do it in the rough. Discount for 2 months at the rate of 6%, and the BR will go to the bank to BR account. Discounted at the rate 6%. Okay, for 2 months bill. 2 months bill. Now, if on the due date March 18, what will happen? March 18, if he does not pay, the purchaser does not pay the money, bank will recover full amount from you. So bank will recover full amount from you. Okay, so your bank account and this person Bimal will become again debtor. So Bimal debit by the full amount 25,000, and from bank money goes out, so to bank account means bank has recovered the amount from you. Bill dishonored, BR dishonored. So when bill is dishonored, the debtor becomes again debtor. The original debtor becomes again the debtor, and the bank entry is reversed to bank account. Bank recovers the money. The bill was endorsed by Kamal in favor of his creditor Sharad. Suppose a third step is there. Third question is there. Instead of from the bank, he endorsed the bill in favor of Sharad. So on January 15, what will be the entry? Sharad debit. We give given to Sharad, so we debit the receiver. Sharad debit to BR. The BR received. Now this BR has gone to Sharad. So Sharad debit to BR has gone to Sharad. Sharad is the receiver. Sharad debit to BR, and the amount will be 25,000 again. And in the narration we will write BR endorsed. Okay, BR endorsed. Here we will write. Then on March 18, what will happen? Now Bimal has become, this debtor has become his account was squared off by this entry. Now Bimal again becomes the debtor. Whenever the bill is dishonored, the purchaser again, the acceptor becomes the debtor. He is the acceptor of bill, Bimal. So Bimal again becomes debit. Bimal debit 25,000, and now this Sharad's account we have debited. He did not get any amount, so his account we have to credit to Sharad. He is endorsed to Sharad, and these entries will be over. Now here one more entry is there. 5 days before its maturity, the bill was sent by Kamal to his bank for collection. So here another option they are taking. Instead of doing this, so now fourth part is here. It's 4 questions. Fourth part is here. Bill was sent by Kamal to the bank 5 days before maturity. Maturity was March 18. So what happened on March 5 days 13? Kamal has sent the bill to bank. So what will he will do? So bill was sent for collection. So bill for collection account debit. Bill for collection account debit 25,000 to BR. The bill has gone to the bank. Bill has gone to the bank. We have deposited. Here will bill sent to bank for collection. But on 18th March, what will happen? Bank is not getting any money. So again, this Vimal will be your debtor. So Vimal is debit. Vimal is debitor, and this bill will come back to you because you have not got any money. This entry you have to reverse. So to bill for collection account. This entry is BR is dishonor of the bill when it was sent to bank for collection. When sent to the bank for collection, bill for collection account is debited to BRB cargo, and when it was dishonored, entry will be Vimal debit, the original purchaser will become debit, and this bill for collection account will be reversed. So now this question number 13 is over. We will go to the next question number 16 of the same book. Okay, we will rub and we will go to the question number 16. What on February we have to make the journal entries. So journal entry we will decide. Burma purchased from Sharma goods worth rupees 17,500 and paid immediately itna. So Burma has purchased in the books of Burma. In books of Burma. He is the purchaser, and we will make entries in the books of Sharma also, seller. Previous question I have made in the books of seller. So in books of Sharma, he is seller. Okay. Verma purchased goods worth 17,500. So purchase account debit. Purchase account debit 17,500, and he gave to cash account. He gave cash account. He has given 2,500 in cash, and for the rest balance give a promissory note. So to bills payable account, because he has to pay the money, for him it is payable, bills payable account, and for 15,000 he has given the bill. Okay, here this is on February 02, 2017. So here what will happen? 2017 February 02, he has sold the goods, okay, and received this. So for him it is bills receivable account. Receivable So here entry will be first Burma debit to sales account. First the entry will go to sales account. Okay. So sold the goods of 17,500. Here also one entry will be on the same day. First entry will be purchase account debit to Burma. Purchase account debit to Sharma. To Sharma 17,500. Okay. This one entry will be there. Then he will make payment Sharma debit to bank account, and to bills payable account, and the entry will be of 17,500. Bank account 2,500 and 15,000 bill was given. So for this he will receive here the bill. So BR account debit, cash account debit, bank account debit, because money also he is getting debit to Verma. Verma has given the money to Verma. Giver is always credited. So BR of 15,000 received, debit what comes in, 2,500 comes in, and credit the giver. So 17,500. This is the one position. It is in the book of purchaser. Verma is purchaser and he is the seller. Now both the entries you can see. Sharma immediately endorsed. Now Sharma endorsed the bill to somebody else. So in his books there will be no entry because he will not be aware of it. Only Sharma is aware, so he immediately endorsed the bill in favor of his creditor Gupta for full settlement of a debt of 15,400. For 15,400, he settled the amount with this bill of 15,000. It means something extra he got. So he from Gupta. So Gupta debit. What will Gupta debit? His full settlement. Now he is the receiver. Gupta is the receiver. So he became debit. 15,400 Gupta debit. To BR he will get to BR account. BR is endorsed to him 15,000 and this 400 is to discount received account. To discount. You have received a discount from them. Discount received account. To discount received account and 400 is the discount you have received. So here we will write the narration. Bill is endorsed to him for full settlement. Now Gupta bill to Verma, which later dishonored. Now on the due date, the bill was dishonored. The bill is of 60 days. 60 days. So we have to add days to it. So 2070, 28 days. So 28 days means now in February, 27 days will be in February, March 31 and April, it should come to 63. So April 3rd, on April 3rd, but plus 3 days of grace. Grace time is also given, grace period. So what will happen? 63 you want a total. That's why the date is April 6. April 6. What will happen? The person, he has not paid the money. So what will happen on the same day? And so on the due date means April 6. April 6 bill is dishonored. So this bill payment was not made. So Verma again becomes a debtor. Verma's account is credit here. So Verma again becomes a credit debitor. Verma debit. Verma debit for how much amount? 15,000 plus noting charges also. Means in the court, notary are there, no? So from there they have got the bill noted. Means just to get a legal evidence. And paid 50 rupees as expenses. So Verma becomes debit for 15,050 because now Verma has to pay this amount and he is liable to Mr. Gupta, 15,050. He will write bill dishonored and noting charges 50 rupees paid by Mr. Gupta. So Gupta will now recover this much amount. Here what will happen? Here he is dishonoring the bill. So his bills payable will come back. BP, his bills will come back. BP will come back to BP account debit, bills payable account debit, noting charges account debit, noting charges, because it is expenses for him, noting charges account debit, 15,000 and 50 rupees. To this sum he will pay to Sharma. Sharma's account was closed before this, so now he will pay to Sharma. to Sharma 15,050 and right BR is dishonored and noting charges was paid. Okay. Now further what happened? Further what happens? On the same day, Gupta and Sharma settled his debt to Gupta. Sharma settled his debt to Gupta by paying him 15,500, which includes noting charges and interest. It means 15,500 means 450 rupees as a interest Burma is charging. So in Sharma's book, interest account will become debit. Interest account debit to Burma. And here we will write interest charged by the Mr. Burma. 450 rupees interest is charged. Interest is due. This is the due entry for interest, because without making due entry you cannot pay. So first you have to make a due entry, then only you can pay. Now Burma has to receive how much? To Gupta, because Gupta is charging. So now we have to pay Gupta 15,000 plus this 15,500. So Sharma settled his debt to Gupta by check of 15,500. So now he will write Gupta. These are all April 6. April 06. This is happening. So he will give to Gupta debit to by dishonor. Sharma settled his debt to Gupta by check which include noting charges and interest account. So 15,500 for 50 and 500 to bank account. 15,500. Okay, and account. This entry and this entry will not be here. These entries will not be in the book of purchaser. Purchaser will not make any entry for this. Purchaser will make only this entry. Bills payable account debit to Sharma. This will be his entry. Okay. Settled. Now Gupta's account is settled. So further what will happen? His debtor Gupta. Verma settled his Sharma's claim by check for the, and Verma also settled his payment. So April 6 he also made. April 06 he has paid this much amount to Sharma. Sharma debit settled his account. So Sharma debit 15,050 to bank account, because by check he has settled to bank account. To bank account 15,050, and narration will be finally account was settled by him and he will receive the money. So April 6 what will happen? April 6 he will get the money. Bank account debit to Burma, and he will receive 15,050 from him. Okay, 15,050 by check. Record general entries in the Sharma and Burma is recorded, and this is all over. So here, if you want to make an account of like Sharma, Gupta, anyone's account, we can make. Okay.